चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
What we are going to do? We are going to build a two-player tic-tac-toe game, which we can play in the command line. Initially, we make an empty game board, and they will take an input from the player, and we'll check the winning condition. And if the whole board gets filled and no one wins, we'll declare the result as T. And ask user if they are want to restart the game. What will we use? We will build this game using Python 3. So make sure you have the installer on your laptop or your computer, and we are good to go. What we'll learn after building this game, we can get a pretty clear idea about dictionaries in Python, how to access dictionaries, how to iterate our dictionaries for loop, if else condition and function in Python. How does the game work? The board is numbered like a keyboard number pad, and these are the player can make their move in the game board by entering the number from the keyboard number pad. Code time. First, let's see how we are going to use a dictionary to create our game board. A dictionary is a primitive data type in the Python which stores data in key value format, and thus will create a dictionary of length 9. Each key will represent a block in the board, and its corresponding value will represent the move made by a player, and will create a function print board open bracket which we can use to every time we want to print the update board in the game. Initially, our game board will look like this.
Now, in the main function, we will first take the input from the player and check if the input is valid, move or not. If the block that player requests to move is valid, we will fill that block, else we will ask the user to choose another block.
Now to check the winning condition, we are check the total 8 condition, and whichever player has made a last move, we declare that the player as the winner, and if no one wins, we declare tie.
And now we will ask the player if they want to play game, and boom, now we have our game ready. Now it's play time. Here two players are playing this game, X team and O team. After the 8th condition, here X is on and here a game is over.